In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your camera driver is missing from your Windows 11 computer. So if your webcam is not working or missing, I'm going to show you how to go and solve this issue. So first, open up your Start menu. Search for Device Manager and click on this window here. Click on your PC name at the top of this window and click on Action and click on Scan for Hardware Changes. You can then check to see if you can see the cameras from the list. If it's still not working, then click on Action once again, click on Add Legacy Hardware and then press Next. Click on this top option, Search and install the hardware automatically and press Next. You can then press Next again and click on Cameras and click on Next. Now, if your webcam appears in this list, then just go and select it and then you can press Next. If it's still not working, then click on View and select Show Hidden Devices and you can check to see if your webcam now appears. If it's still not working, go and close out of this window, open up the Start menu and click on Settings. In the left-hand side, select Windows Update, click on Check for Updates, and then you'll need to go and install any outdated software. You can then click on Advanced Options, scroll down and click on Optional Updates, and if there's any driver or Windows updates here, then make sure to go and install these as well. Now, if you've tried all of these steps and it's still not working, then we can try installing the webcam drivers manually. So just go and open up an internet browser. You can then type in the model name of your computer, followed by the text webcam driver download and press enter. Then you can click on any of these websites. You can then go and search for your specific computer or laptop model. Once you've found your product, click on Driver and Tools, and then you can go and download your webcam driver directly from one of these links. If it's still not working, the final solution is to open up your Start menu and click on Settings. In the left-hand side, select Privacy and Security, scroll down and click on Camera, and make sure camera access is turned on and enabled. Once you've done this, you can go and restart your computer, and hopefully now that should have solved the camera issue.